In your storied investor career, which investment did you like the most and why? And which one was a dog?
Well, that's rather interesting. One of the investments that nobody ever talks about at Berkshire is the World Book Encyclopedia. I grew up on it. You know, they used to sell it door to door. And that thing was, they had every word in the English language graded for comprehension, and it had a vast amount of editorial input. So it was easy for a child who wasn't necessarily a brilliant student to understand that encyclopedia. It was more understandable. And Berkshire made $50 million a year pre-tax out of that business for years and years and years. And I was always so proud of it because I grew up with it and it helped me and so forth. And of course, I liked the $50 million a year. And then a man named Bill Gates came along and he decided he's going to give away a free encyclopedia with every damn bit of software in his personal computer software. And away went our $50 million a year. Now, we still sell the encyclopedia to libraries. Maybe we make a few million a year doing that. But most of the wealth just went away and all that wonderful constructive product. And it's still a marvelous product. And it wasn't good that we lost what World Book was doing for the civilization. And I was so proud of World Book but now it's pretty well gone away in terms of its worldly significance, and the money went with it. That's just the way capitalism works. It has destruction, and some of the things you lose, you're really going to miss, and you're not going to replace them. I don't think these TV programs that charm our children are as good as the World Book was for them. World Book helped me get ahead in life. And the people who aren't going to read the World Book and who are hanging in front of the TV set, they're not blessed, they're cursed. Now, there are advantages, too, and they're having television.
And Charlie, a final question for you. This one comes from Matt McAllister.
I'm not weeping any tears that I don't have my World Book anymore. I've adjusted. I miss it, but I...